Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen. Today I'm going to make a yo-yo flower. In this video, I'm going to use different colors of fabric. I'm using scrap fabric. I'm also going to use scissors, thread and needle, pins, and something round. Black and white felt, buttons. Okay, so take your fabric and take something round. What I'm using is 10 centimeters from here, and then put here and trace. After tracing, you can cut. Thread your needle and then take your circles, one circle, and then fold here just a little, and then sew right round like this. We are going to be doing a loose stitch. Okay, like this. So now pull here. After pulling, shape it like that. Like this. And secure the thread here. Okay, like this. So now choose your button. I'm going to use this yellow and white one. So put here. At this point, use your glue gun, or you can sew it, but I prefer to use a glue gun. Like that. It's beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that for as many as I could, and then I'll come back and show you. take a paper and draw a leaf. Okay, so now you have your leaves, and take one of your leaves and here. Subscribe. Okay, it's done. They're looking so nice. So now put these aside and take a box, any type is okay, and then open it like this and cover it. I'm going to cover it with white felt. I'm going to use glue. So now take your flower and decorate here like this. Okay, so here you can put your sewing accessories. Thank you for watching. Maita basane kuona mite kurete arigato.